Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Red Packets. These are a fun and easy way to send cryptocurrency gifts to friends and family. Think of them as digital envelopes filled with crypto, ready to be claimed. You can send a single red packet to many people, making it perfect for sharing a little joy or running a small giveaway. Recipients get their crypto instantly once they claim it. Creating your own red packet is straightforward. First, open your Binance app or visit the website and find the red packet feature. Next, you'll choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, the total amount, and how many people can claim a share. You can even add a personalized message to make it extra special for your recipients. Once your red packet is created, sharing it is simple. You'll receive a unique link or code that you can send through any messaging app or social media. Recipients just click the link or enter the code in their Binance app to claim their portion. The crypto is then automatically deposited into their Binance wallet, ready for them to use. Remember, red packets usually have an expiration date, so encourage your friends to claim theirs quickly. Any funds not claimed by the deadline will automatically be returned to your wallet. It's a great way to spread some crypto cheer. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.